You don't want to skip this video. Let me show you how to make your first 10K this month.
Find a product that solves a problem that has a high search volume on Google with a minimum of 30,000 searches per month. This product right here gets 40,000 searches per month, which tells you it's in high demand. Then you want to go on Google Trends, put the product keyword here, and make sure that the product is not seasonal and it sells throughout the year. It's okay to have high times for the product, but it's not okay if the line hits the bottom. Once you have done that research for the product, then you want to head over to Shopify.com so you could start building your online store for the product. You can get literally 3 months for $1 per month. Then you want to start creating your awesome landing page through Shopify so you can start driving customers to your website and they can purchase the product. Then you want to create a Google Merchant account. Then you want to create a Google Ads account and then start advertising your product on Google for huge returns.